fifth one will knock us back into the center.
Yeah, it's pretty much repeating it.
That's where I fucked up.
Yeah.
Yo, what?
We're good.
I wasn't close enough to taunt.
Red side, be careful. The boss isn't quite centered.
Yeah, hear me.
Shockwave's coming out. Give me move left.
Big out on nipple.
Dodge the breath. Dodge the breath. Get ready for shockwave.
Tank shift right.
Be fine here. Are you good, Cal? Yeah, here.
Middle. Keep Zul up, keep Zul up, he has 3 set. Reincarnate, reincarnate, we're good. Dodge the breath, dodge the breath. Do not get hit by that. Kill the ad. Keep going, keep going.
3.
Bring the boss back.
Good. Reset it.
Is he good here?
Barely.
Move a little bit over.
Melee's gonna get fucked.
Oh shit. Actually,
Dodge,
Yeah, I
dodge,
fucked up.
dodge, dodge.
I think it's fine because you did the thing.
Ads are coming. Switch.
Big out on nipple.
Second potions.
Second pot.
Jimmy.
Stop.
On the middle.
Yes. Weird.
Big damage out here. Kill it, kill
Dodge.
it. Good.
Okay.
Reset it. Reset it. No, we're good. We're good. We're good.
Looked like he ate it. Stomp.
Nope.
Careful, Kier.
We need a
Second
lot
stack. Second stones if you're locksmith.
This is good.
Big out on there.
You ready? Lust. Where's Jimmy? No one's back. Get Redson.
You're wrong.
Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Good. Middle, go.
Don't we have front of there? Yeah, we've stomped.
Kill the ad, kill the ad.
Stomp.
On the boss. This is it. Come on. Shut up.
Goes on wizardry.
Gotta take him to a wall. Because we can't shockwave everyone.
Alright, we'll bring
Dodge,
him back.
dodge, 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 dodge.
It's
Keep
kicking
going.
this way.
Ignore ads, right?
Yep, ignore it. Just nuke the boss. Shockwave. Coming up.
Alright, can we just leave him here?
Yeah.
Yep. Keep going. Come on. Push everything.
We did in about 15 seconds.
Come on.
Stomp and breath.
Dodge.
Come on, come on.
Ya boy!
Easy claps.
Hey guys, we have to go through Vectus now. Yeah.
Easy clap.
Look at all that Azurite, dude.
Crazy.
Oh,
Oh, fucking
I
finally.
like that strat. That strat's
Yes.
really good.
Yes.
Fuck yes, baby, let's go. Ready?
Everything.
Where is this?
Yes.
Are we doing the
Nice
zone now?
job.
Oh wait,
Vectus?
Vectus.
Fucking
Oh
weak.
no, fuck Vectus.
Yes.
Yeah, we gotta go back to Vectus. No.
Yeah. Even
Sorry,
to even
boys.
get Fizzle.
Yeah, we gotta kill it. Let's go.
Let's go.
Vendors, you're gonna.
Well, at least I got an upgrade.
I need to go. I need to